Hello, hello, and welcome to another virtual open house presented to you by Quality Homes Costa Calida.com. Hello again, and welcome to another virtual open house presented to you by Quality Homes Costa Calida.com. Today we are again on Condado de Alhama. We are on the garden Naranjos 4. One of the most sought after gardens. It's normally the one number 2, 4, 5, and 6, which are pretty much sought after. And today we are in Naranjos 4. We have about 26 degrees Celsius outside. Sunshine all day. It's a little bit grayish now at the moment, and it might have a little bit of rain tomorrow. But obviously, it will not cool down. It will stay around the 23, 24 degrees tomorrow. And we are today on Naranjos 4, and I'm showing you the apartment N276, which is a 2-bed, 1-bathroom apartment provided to you by Quality Homes CostaCalida.com. I'm just showing you the view of the terrace on the first floor of this apartment. We are pretty close to the community pool, which is just opposite here, so more than walking distance, shouting distance even. It's a kind of a sunny day today with a little bit of grey sky sometimes. We have 26 degrees today, and no more words, I will enter now this property. We are talking about 2-bed, 1-bathroom. On our dedicated webpage, qualityhomescostacalida.com, you will find this apartment under the reference 3482. The asking price is only 67,000 euros and includes all items we see on our little video and show today. So, I'm just in the living room / kitchen. So the kitchen is perfectly equipped with washing machine, cooker, oven, extractor fan, dishwasher and fridge freezer, and is as well equipped with all necessary cutlery, for example over here, or as well all kind of pots, pans, microwave, toaster, kettle, you name it, we have it. Otherwise you see a double-seater sofa, a single-seater, television, coffee table, dining table, well, everything what's necessary for a comfortable stay. The apartment is more or less a blank canvas, so it still needs maybe a little bit of owner's attention to say. So let me just proceed to the master bedroom now. Apartment is fully equipped with air conditioning in all rooms as well as televisions in all rooms, which is quite comfortable. This would be now the master bed. We are in the master bedroom of this 2-bed, 1-bathroom apartment here on Condado de Alhama Golf Resort. We are on Naranjos 4 today in the apartment N276. Asking price, as we said, is only 67,000 euros, open to offers. So we just leave the master bedroom, come to the second bedroom now. As well, fully equipped, 2 single beds, fitted wardrobes. Well, let's have a look on the fitted wardrobe, how this looks from the inside. There we go. So this is a classic fitted wardrobe, as you can see, quite spacious. All rooms as well enjoy air conditioning, as we see here. In this case, it's LG brand inverter. So I think that's quite a good quality appliance here. And last but not least, we do have the bathroom, which as well you find all necessary. And you even see Rupert again in the mirror. There we go. Go away. Okay, so we are on Naranjos 4 today, on a 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom apartment. On our dedicated webpage, qualityhomescostacalida.com, you find this apartment under the reference 3482, asking price only 67,000. Apart from that, we have a monthly community fee, which keeps the resort up. The community fee is to cover all costs provided and all services provided by the community of owners. This starts with gardening. As you can see, the gardens are in pristine conditions. This includes as well the pool cleaning, as well as street cleaning, as well internet. Each property on Condado de Alhama Golf Resort has its own internet connection and a Wi-Fi router, which has a 100 megabit up and download line. This means that you can stream, play, work, whatever you do at the same time, because the 100 megabit is very hard really to use all of it in one go. And all this comes included in the community fees of roughly around 100 euros per month. Apart from that, we have a council tax to cover with the city of Alhama de Murcia, which will be around 160 euros per year. Okay, the property is sold as seen, and it's not only the ground, well, we are on the first floor. As you can see, when we're looking down, we are above the ground floor apartments, but it's not only the apartment itself, there's also a roof terrace, and just let me walk up there and show you the roof terrace. There we go. This is a private staircase, which leads up now to the solarium, which is of the same size as the apartment itself. So we're talking about nearly 60 square meters of apartment, and at the same time we're talking about 60 square meters of roof terrace. And this is really precious. Fantastic views up here, as you can see. Really great. I think it really makes a difference. So this is the spot normally for sunbathing, for barbecue, for, well, all activities which can be done under the Spanish sun. Here we go. View-wise, we do see the Sierra de Carrascoy over there, but as I said before, it's a little bit misty today, so we can hardly see it. And on the other side, we have the Sierra Espuña on the back, but as I said, it's a little bit misty, so we don't see it. What we see here is the car park situation. As you can see, there are not many people on site at the moment, as you have heard about the travel restrictions again coming back, so it looks like this will remain like that for the coming weeks. Hopefully in July then the situation will change and people can travel to Spain again as we were used to pre-COVID. This was the car park. As we see, this terrace is massive. We won't stress that we can swing the elephant here, not today. No. Okay, so let's walk down again on our private staircase to this 2-bed, 1-bathroom apartment provided to you on a virtual open house by qualityhomes.costacalida.com. Very important, the .com address, please. So, back to the views, back to the apartment. 2-bed, 1-bath, fully equipped with air conditioning in all rooms. We have a large television here in the living room, and we have 2 small televisions in the bedrooms. The kitchen is fully equipped with fridge, freezer, dishwasher, oven hob extractor fan, microwave kettle toaster, as well as washing machine. And all what we see in our little tour today is what we get and is included in the asking price of only 67,000 euros, open to offers. We see here as well the air conditioning. Just walk through the hallway here to the master bedroom, which is fitting a double bed, 2 bedside tables, again fitted wardrobes, again air conditioning. So there shouldn't be a problem in getting this place cool in summer and warm in winter. With 3 aircon units, you're more than fine. We are on the 2nd bedroom now. 2 single beds. All what we see is what we get today in this video. This is the fitted wardrobe again. As well, here again we have the air conditioning and another television. So for people who are really into watching TV or streaming or whatever, this place provides enough possibilities to keep you and your family entertained. We are now in the bathroom of this 2-bed, 1-bathroom apartment, presented to you in a virtual open house by qualityhomes.costacalida.com. My name is Rupert. You see me a little bit here in the mirror. I'm the broker of the company, and in this case, I'm as well the listing agent today. So, yes, it's my listing. You wouldn't believe it. Okay, we are in the living room of this 2-bed, 1-bathroom apartment. 60k, yes, Paul, and still open to offers. Yes. No doubt about. So it's a nice apartment. It has maybe not all the mod cons you might expect, hence the asking price of only 67,000. But on the other side, it's really well kept, no doubt about. I don't think that this was rented out very often because I don't hardly see any sign of usage. I rather have the feeling that this was only used by the actual owners as there is nothing, there is no usage to see. Now, when I see, for example, the light switch here, this is all clean and clear. So I don't think that this property was hardly used. It was maybe mainly used as a family holiday retreat. So perfect. I would say really a good start, because we are on Naranjos 4, one of the most sought after gardens, together with Naranjos 2, 5 and 6. You might say, why are these gardens maybe more interesting to the buyers? Well, very simple. We are between the two main attractions on Condado, which is the Jack Nicklaus Signature Golf Course on the one side and the shopping center or commercial center Kasar on the other side. So from here, where we are now, it's maybe about 10 minutes walking distance to the supermarket shops, restaurants, bars, hairdresser, furniture shop, whatever. And on the other side, you have maybe 5 minutes walking to the golf course. So that's really ideal. You find obviously this property on our webpage, qualityhomescostacalida.com, under the reference, which I will tell you in a second. I think it was the 3265. Rupert, you should do your homework. Okay. No, it's not true. It's the 3482. Sorry. On our dedicated webpage, qualityhomescostacalida.com, you do see the link now at the bottom of your screen. But as well, I tell you the reference is 3482. You do find on our webpage a lot of pictures, and you should find as well a virtual tour which shows you each room as a walk-in 360 tour, so you can walk through the property from the comfort of your home and see everything upside down, left to right, back to forth. It's all there. qualityhomescostacalida.com, reference 3482. So still here, still the views, and it doesn't change. It stays like that all day long, all year long, and it's really amazing how our gardening team is keeping this resort really in pristine conditions. And that's really what it is. The pools are now already, half of them, I think, over half are already open to be used, and I'm sure that the community will not spare any effort to make sure that all pools will be open in July. Obviously, always pending on the COVID development, but we are doing really well in the Murcia region at the moment. We have an incident rate about 58, I think, and still going down. So we're really looking forward to a beautiful summer season, and hopefully many of you guys can come over to Spain, enjoy your holiday, and maybe even visit our office and have a look at properties with one of our agents. Okay, so enough of the terrace. Let's go back again into the property. Reference 3482, 2 bed, 1 bath on Condado de Alhama Golf Resort, presented to you in a virtual open house by qualityhomescostacalida.com. Most important, the .com address, please. And I show you quickly again the master bedroom. As well, as you can see, this is ready to move in. As we said, it's a little bit of a blank canvas, so the basis is here. We have everything from air conditioning, television, washing machine, dishwasher, you name it, we have it. Well, I can imagine, Paul, that you might not get a lot in Ireland for 67k, no doubt about. So maybe you invest your money better here in Spain. Just joking. Okay, second bedroom, as well equipped, fitted as it should be. Bathroom as well, glass shower screen. That's what we hardly see. That's the reason why I'm here in the mirror, because it's a glass shower screen. And kitchen fully equipped. So this property is ready to move in, and maybe it needs a little bit of owner's love, no doubt about, but the basis is really healthy here. So let me show you again the roof terrace. Just walking up here to the roof terrace again. There we go. There we go. So here we are again. We are again on the roof terrace of this 2 bed, 1 bathroom apartment, N276 on Condado de Alhama Golf Resort. Presented to you by qualityhomescostacalida.com, and my name is Rupert. Here we go. The pool again. Still nobody in the pool. It's a little bit windy at the moment, but we still have 26 degrees in the shade. So I think that's pretty okay still for starting June. Temperatures might rise. What a pity you left your heart over here. Well, then come back, please, Hildegard. Don't forget us and come come back whenever you can. That's good. So, car park situation here again of Naranjos. We are here on Naranjos 4, and what we see here is the back of Naranjos 5, which is the next garden, similar size as Naranjos 4. Same situation, same location. So, as we said, it's one of the most sought after gardens on the resort due to its location between the two most important attractions on site, which are the golf course, it's a Jack Nicklaus signature course, and the commercial center Kasar. We're all looking forward to the golf course to be opened, and we all hope that this will take place in September. We are seeing now more and more activity on the golf course, so from the maintenance team to say, so we're really confident that soon we will see the golf course opening again. Well, I think we have seen now this beautiful apartment, as we said, 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom, reference 3482 on our dedicated webpage, qualityhomescostacalida.com. Asking price is only 67,000 euros, and we hope that this video helps as well, that we find the right buyer for this gem. Good, so thank you very much for spending time with me today. I'm looking forward to see you again, and hopefully you will see me again or my videos next week, Thursday at 5 o'clock CET, 4 o'clock in the Canaries and in the UK. And in case you're interested as well in a virtual open house in Spanish, then stay with me at 5:30. We are coming back with the Spanish version of our virtual open house presented to you by qualityhomescostacalida.com. In the meantime, take care, stay safe, God bless. Cheers, bye.